Welcome to the Bridges Ventures sign proposal presentation. We are delighted to present our vision for enhancing your company's identity with two bespoke signage solutions that reflect your dedication to impactful investment and sustainable growth. At Bridges Ventures, your focus on four core investment themes: sustainable planet, healthier lives, future skills, and stronger communities, aligns perfectly with the global shift towards a more inclusive and sustainable economy. These themes not only reflect significant social and environmental trends, but also position Bridges Ventures at the forefront of impact investing, enabling you to identify and seize promising investment opportunities in sectors poised for growth. First, we propose a distinguished replacement for your main sign. This engraved plaque, crafted from premium stainless steel, embodies the durability and elegance that Bridges Ventures stands for. Its sleek and polished finish not only mirrors your commitment to excellence, but also provides a timeless, sophisticated look that ensures your brand remains prominent and respected for years to come. Inside, we suggest a modern and refined sign for your internal wall. This design features clean lines and a professional aesthetic that seamlessly integrates into your space. It is intended to guide visitors while reinforcing your brand's identity in a welcoming and elegant manner. This sign will enhance the ambience of your office, making a lasting impression on everyone who visits and reminding them of your commitment to sustainable and impactful investing. Bridges Ventures has been a pioneering force in private market investment for over 20 years, driven by the conviction that supporting a more inclusive and sustainable economy is not just good for society, but also a unique opportunity to create lasting economic value. This approach, often termed impact investing, is seen by Bridges as the future of all investing. Together, these signs will not only enhance the visibility of Bridges Ventures, but also communicate the core values and mission of your brand. Thank you for considering our proposal. We look forward to bringing this vision to life and enhancing your presence both inside and out